Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching the browser you use daily. This matters because shortcuts differ. Once open, press the Incognito shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+N on Chrome and Edge, or Ctrl+Shift+P on Firefox, or click the menu and choose New Incognito or Private Window. Do this now so you create an isolated session. Make sure you're not in a managed profile, otherwise the option may be disabled. Once the private window appears, note the dark theme and privacy icon that confirm you're in the correct mode. Once the private window is open, check that extensions aren't leaking data. Some run in incognito and must be disabled explicitly. Make sure you don't sign into accounts you wish to keep separate, because signing can link activity to your profile. If needed, open settings from the private window to enable pop-up blocking or clear cookies for that session. These steps keep the sessions separate from your regular profile and help prevent bookmarks, history, and temporary data from being stored locally. To finish, close every incognito or private window. Only then does the browser discard session data like cookies and history. If you can't open incognito, check for enterprise or parental policies, open settings or your OS profile controls, and look for managed preferences. Make sure extensions aren't forcibly allowing tracking. If issues persist, switch to a different user profile or use guest mode, which is often available and bypasses some restrictions. A final tip: restart the browser after changing settings to apply them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.